Hi, I am Jomar and I have been practicing real estate for 13 years. Ito yung isa sa mga question na nare-receive namin lagi sa aming mga social media accounts. So, pwede daw bang bumili ng property yung mga former Filipino citizens? So, ito yung mga OFW na pumunta sa ibang bansa and then technically naging citizen na sila kung saan sila nag-i-stay. So, ang sagot po dyan ay yes. Okay? So, pwede po silang bumili ng property basta meron lang limitation. 1,000 square meter of residential land and then 1 hectare of for business purposes for urban areas. And then sa rural areas naman is 5,000 square meter for residential and up to 3 hectares for business purposes. And then pwede din silang bumili through financing. So, isa sa mga service kasi namin na as a licensed broker is mag-assist ng mga client pag mag-a-avail sila ng mga home loan. So, isa sa mga bank na alam natin na nag-o-offer sa mga former Filipino citizen is yung Banco de Oro or yung BDO. Nga lang, mas higher yung interest rate na ino-offer ng BDO pagka hindi naka-dual citizen yung client. As of now, yung ino-offer kasi ng BDO na interest rate ngayon is nasa 8.25% per annum, fixed for 5 years. And then kapag former Filipino citizen naman, mas higher yung interest rate, like 10 to 12% per annum. Depende na lang kung kailan malo-loan release yung loan nyo. Kumbaga, magbe-base yun kung ano yung promo ng BDO for that month. Pero usually, nagre-range yun ng 10 to 12% per annum. Pero at least, di ba, pwede. Okay, pwede silang mag-avail through bank loan. And then, isa pa is yung in-house financing, which is, ang disadvantage is higher yung interest rate. Kaso, take note, may mga other developers na hindi nag-accept ng hindi naka-dual citizen. Pero, mostly, nag-accept sila ng mga in-house financing. And then, for Pag-ibig, unfortunately, hindi available yung home loan nila for non-Filipino citizen. So kung gusto niyo mag-loan ng home loan via Pag-ibig financing, kailangan niyo mag-apply ng dual citizen.